Good morning. Happy Friday. You are here to learn about your art assignment. And this week's art assignment is very unique. It's much different than art assignments that you've been given in the past. That's because I'm looking for some student input for what our Christmas and winter art projects should be. So come December, we are going to need to be doing some winter and Christmas themed art. And I thought, how neat would it be if students get to pick those art projects? So today you are going to maybe you're going to do some Googling, maybe you have a project that you've done in the past that you really enjoyed. You're going to pick a winter themed or a Christmas themed art project and complete it and submit that to me. And then I will be looking at those submissions and I will be picking 3 art projects that you have come up with to do in December for our Christmas or winter themed art. So the choice is completely up to you. Whatever kind of art project you would like to make, go for it. And then submit that to me today because I'm going to be looking at those submissions and deciding which ones of those I think would be really cool for the class to do. So when I pick, I will let you know because you're going to need to help me come up with a video to create it, or at least tell me how to do the art project, right? And then we will work together and then you kind of get a chance to be the teacher as well and decide and show kids how to work on their art project. So I'm excited about this because I can't wait to see. I know that there's lots of kids who have lots of really creative ideas, or you can go online and find things that you would like to make. And then once you've made that, submit that to me because I'm curious. What do you want to do for an art project that's about Christmas or winter? So I'm really excited to see what you come up with. So if you're not sure or you need some inspiration, you can contact me. I can maybe send some options your way of things that you might want to make. But go ahead, do some Googling, find a project that you want to work on, make that project, and then send it on in to me. And I can't wait to see the projects that you have come up with. So that's your job today. Make an art project that's Christmas or winter themed, and come December, maybe your project is going to be the one that the whole class gets to do. All right, have a great weekend. Can't wait to see your projects.